what's up, Truth Team? So we have an update in the Ynw Melly federal case. Now, if you don't remember, his team was like, yo, he's being mistreated down there in Broward County. They violated his rights, won't let him see the attorney, XYZ, right? And we've been waiting to find out, will he be able to be released? Because they had a deadline of December 6th, right? But then the BSO asked for an extension with a legal team, and they got it. And then now, as of February 17th, the judge ruled on it. What y'all think they said? Let's check it out.
We have Mickey Truth.
Who is this? You got Mickey Truth kicked out.
Shout out Mickey.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth.
Ynw Melly appeared in U.S. federal court today for the first time as his defense team tries to get him released from jail. His attorney argues Melly's constitutional rights are being violated while he's in custody.
NBC6's Marissa Baxter is live outside the federal courthouse. What happened today, Marissa? What comes next, too?
Well, ladies, we are 8 months away now from Ynw Melly's second double murder trial over in state court. So his attorneys are asking a federal judge to release him from custody until that trial starts. The judge was pretty clear today, saying a full-on release from jail is unlikely to happen.
Rapper Ynw Melly's family walked out of federal court today with hope.
It was good seeing him today. Hopefully I'll be able to get a phone call or a visitation really soon.
Cameras aren't allowed in federal court, but Ynw Melly was dressed in the same red maximum custody jumpsuit with hands cuffed and feet shackled as you see here in a recent state court hearing. His attorney, Michael Pizzi, argues the Broward Sheriff's Office is violating his client's constitutional rights by not allowing him family visitations in custody or phone calls to his lawyers.
He is not even allowed to call me to discuss it.
Hold on now. Maybe the phone calls to the lawyer. I ain't gonna go as far as a family visitation because, again, they can't apply like punishments or restrictions. So remember when I first did the reaction to this lawsuit, I said like the lawyer part probably the strongest part. But yeah, I don't know about the family visitation. But let's see what the lawyer had to say.
This is federal constitutional litigation. So I think it's really what the BSO and what the state are doing to him is disgraceful. They are obliterating his constitutional rights.
Melly, whose real name is Jamel Demons, is charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder in the 2018 killings of 2 of his friends. The Broward Sheriff's Office says Demons is on administrative segregation within the jail because placement in general population poses a serious threat to the safety of staff or inmates' life or property. Their attorneys argued today that the federal case should be dismissed altogether because Demons should be seeking relief in the state court system, not in front of a federal judge.
And so the federal judge is allowing the case to continue at least for now, scheduling the next hearing for Wednesday, February 19th. But she said even if she eventually finds that Demons' constitutional rights have been violated, she said it's unclear whether she could order any changes to his treatment in custody or to the way that he's allowed to communicate.
I ain't gonna lie, True Team. Y'all already know this is my unwanted opinion, okay? Yeah, they about to keep that man in there forever if they can. But as far as this situation, I said it was a reach. I feel like if anything, it just kind of puts on fire under the whole situation of him being in jail for this long. Innocent at this point, because again, in the court of law, before y'all jump in the comments, in the court of law, you're innocent until proven guilty. He hasn't been proven guilty. And when they say proven guilty, they mean by a jury of your peers finding you guilty or by you pleading out. Okay, so again, that's what in the sense of prove you guilty me in the court of law. Now, in the eyes of most of the public, he's guilty, okay? But you can't keep a man in jail because you believe that he's guilty, okay? It has to be proven. And again, we had one mistrial, so obviously even the jury couldn't come to a decision if he was fully guilty or not, okay? I'm talking about fully guilty, but guilty or not guilty, okay? Now, with that being said, do I feel like Melly will get out? I'm gonna be honest, at this point, seeing how Broward County is able to run amok, I already know federal judges don't really like to step on the toes of the state judges to a certain extent, right? That's why it's a chain of command you have to go through. I feel like the only way Melly will get out, he will have to be found not guilty. I don't like he will have to be found not guilty, or like something will have to like cause the case to get tossed out and he get out. Other than that, I don't think they're gonna let him out anyway before then. Like, just gonna be on some real stuff. Treatment and jails, like I said, jails ain't meant to be like a spa day, but at the same time, the Constitution is the Constitution. But it's like gray area. That's why so many jails and even prisons can like get to a certain point without any issues, because it's like gray area. Like, they got to feed you, provide you 3 meals. But they ain't say the 3 meals had to be tasty. You know what I'm saying? They provide you access to phones. However, how many times it's too many times that you get in trouble where they can just take it from you? You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of like going into the gray area to figure out really was anything violated. I don't have the time to do that because again, there's so many different rules that they go by, the public rule books inside, and everything is always up for interpretation. So with that being said, we'll just see how it plays out. That's my unwanted opinion. Y'all let me know your unwanted opinions in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next one. And side note, yes, okay, I got my hair done this morning, and no, I'm not combing it down. It's raining, and I'm inside all day bringing y'all content. Now, I'm out. And like I said throughout the video, that's my opinion. And if you don't like it, guess what?
I'm like, fuck yeah.
Hold on, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast.
This is the weakest, give a fuck about what they scream.
Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
I'm trying to conquer the world, coming from where I come from. Hey, this your girl Mickey Truth, #1 blogger in South Carolina. #1 blogger in South Carolina.